Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on emptying the cache on Mac OS. This will work on both iMacs and MacBooks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by going to the desktop screen of your Mac. Then click the Go button from the top toolbar. Select Go to Folder. Enter ~library/caches and then click Go. Check the video description if you want to copy and paste it. Now simply highlight all the folders here by pressing Command and A on your keyboard, or click Edit and then select all. Now click File and then select Move to Bin. This will delete all the cached files from your Mac. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.